Hey there, I'm making this video because I literally spent the entire day trying to fix this problem today, and finally at the end of the day something clicked and I was able to fix it. The problem that I had was when I was sewing leather. At the end, when I was trying to pull the leather out, it was getting the top thread was getting stuck in the machine, and it was just driving me absolutely crazy. I made a separate video of the problem that I had, and you can watch it by going to the link below, but right now I want to show you a little trick that worked for me and it made all the difference. And I couldn't find anything on YouTube addressing that problem, so I thought that you might find it interesting. Okay, I have an industrial sewing machine, which is a post-bed machine, and let me zoom in here. So here's the picture of a bobbin. It's all threaded, and I'm going to put in some leather. So I'm going to crank it by hand. I'm going to hold on to these two pieces of thread and then start it by hand. So as you can see, the thread is getting picked up and taken around, and as I continue, it just continues to do the same. Now, what I was doing before, I was trying to take out the leather when the thread was still not finished with its cycle and it was getting caught. And then I later figured out that if I let the cycle finish and let the thread come all the way around, at this point it's okay to take the whole thing out. So what I figured, that the way to time it right is to take it out when the needle is on the way down, and then when I take it out it never gets caught, which is exactly what we want. So let me try to do the same thing, where I will start it by hand and then I will let the motor run and I will take it out at the correct time. So I'm going to hold on to these two pieces, starting by hand, and then now from here I'm going to let the motor run. I'm going to do the back stitch, and then I will stop. I'm going to go and crank with the hand. As you can see, it would not be a good idea to take it out right now. I will continue to crank it until the needle is on the way down, and now I can remove it and it never gets stuck. And I did it now like 12 times in a row. I did all of these here and not a single one went bad. So I hope that this could be helpful to some of you guys. Thanks.